The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Denver Police Department. A law enforcement warning has been issued for all of Denver. At around 10:40 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, an unknown explosion was seen across downtown Denver. It is unknown who caused the explosion, but all residents are being advised to stay away from the explosion. However, several eyewitnesses have come into the police that there is a strange figure hovering over the explosion. It is unknown of what this figure is, but all residents are being advised to take precautions. Stay tuned to local media news and outlets.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Denver Police Department. The individual was floating on the air above the explosion area. Has been confirmed that this individual was responsible for the explosion. The identity of this individual has been confirmed. This individual's name is Admin Romeo. Admin Romeo is a character from the game called Minecraft Story Mode. Admin Romeo is a male, 25 years old, 6 feet tall, gray skin, red hair, dark gray shirt and pants, and bright orange and yellow eyes. This individual should not be approached, as this individual has the intention to attack anyone. Stay tuned for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the NYPD. Several explosions were heard and seen have been reported across New York City. In addition, an unknown individual, which is now known as Admin Romeo, was seen hovering over the explosion area. It is believed that this individual is responsible for the explosions. Several explosion was heard and seen is taking place in Kings, Queens, and Manhattan. All residents are being advised to stay away from the explosions until the all clear was given. Monitor media news and outlets.
The following is transmitted at the request of the North Carolina Emergency Management Agency. A missing person alert has been issued for the following counties/areas: Mecklenburg-NC, Buncombe-NC, McDowell-NC, Lee-NC, Richmond-NC, Rutherford-NC, and Cleveland-NC beginning at 8:14 a.m. and ending at 1:00 p.m. 100 people have gone missing since 1 hour ago. In addition, multiple reports came in about people disappeared out the blue, and afterwards, a small red particles was released in the air. It is unknown what causes these people to go missing, but all residents are strongly advised to remain indoors with all doors and windows locked. In addition, an individual floating in the air, which is now known as Admin Romeo, was believed to be responsible for making 100 people to go missing. If you see Admin Romeo in your area, run away as fast as possible. Admin Romeo has caused several explosions throughout numerous cities in the United States, such as Los Angeles, New York City, and Denver. All residents are being advised to take extra precautions during this situation. Stay tuned for more information and updates.
Event type is civil. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Canadian government and Canada Space Agency. An individual was floating in the sky and somehow caused a meteor show by raising his hands. Several explosions have been reported across Winnipeg metropolitan area. This individual has been identified as Admin Romeo. Admin Romeo is a character from the game called Minecraft Story Mode. Admin Romeo is a male, 25 years old, 6 feet tall, with red hair, wearing a dark gray shirt and pants, and glowing orange and yellow pants. This individual should not be approached, as this individual has the intentions to attack anyone and cause mass damage and make people disappear through his powers. If you see Admin Romeo in your area, leave the area as soon as possible. Seek an underground shelter from the falling meteor shower. If you do not have an underground shelter, head to the basement immediately. Admin Romeo has also caused several explosions throughout numerous cities in the United States. Admin Romeo should be approached at any cost. Tuned into local media news and outlets.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. Multiple explosions were reported across the city of San Francisco. It is believed that Admin Romeo is responsible for the explosion. Admin Romeo possesses abnormal powers, which is believed that he used one of his powers to cause explosions throughout the San Francisco metropolitan area. All residents are strongly advised to stay away from the explosion and remain indoors until further notice. Admin Romeo is capable of using the abilities to cause widespread cause and multiple explosions. This is a really life-threatening situation and should be taken seriously. All residents who are listening to this message are strongly advised to remain indoors until further notice, and stay away from Admin Romeo as he is dangerous to be approached. This broadcast will remain in the air to provide news and updates.
Everything you promised me, nothing like I thought it'd be. Everything you promised me, nothing like I thought it'd be. Everything you promised me.
A tsunami warning has been issued for Texas, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Louisiana. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the United States Geological Survey. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. A tsunami is heading towards to these mentioned states. In addition, earthquakes has also occurred in the mentioned states. It is believed that the dangerous individual, which is now known as Admin Romeo, is responsible for causing earthquakes and tsunami. Admin Romeo is causing mass destruction throughout the United States and Canada using his powers. If you are in the coast of these mentioned states, you are strongly advised to evacuate the shores immediately before the tsunami hits. If you are feeling the shakes from the earthquake, hide, duck, and cover from falling debris. It is unknown when will Admin Romeo next plant us, but all residents are strongly advised to seek shelter immediately, and as well as evacuating the shores immediately.
This is a emergency action termination. Admin Romeo was somehow disappeared. The threat to the United States is over and everyone can exit their shelters. However, there is so much damage across the United States caused by Admin Romeo and could take years to rebuild. However, this is the emergency action termination. All normal programming may continue. Your government thanks you for our cooperation.